Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the best originals, prints, negatives, or slides, and act now, don't over-prepare. Set a flatbed scanner to 600 dpi or mount your camera on a tripod with a macro lens for consistent framing. Once done, clean dust with compressed air and a microfiber cloth. Make sure not to touch emulsion directly. You're preserving detail and texture at capture, which saves hours later. This first step locks in source quality, so work deliberately and steadily. You now transform the clean scan into a convincing vintage image. Start with a lossless master file, then desaturate a bit and nudge contrast higher to reveal midtone character. Once that base is set, shift color toward warm sepia with controlled highlights and cooler shadows. This recreates aged chemistry. Next, layer fine film grain and a mild vignette, then blend a paper texture and light scratches at low opacity to avoid overdoing it. Make incremental changes. Compare before and after as you refine. You're on the finish line. Export a high-resolution TIFF master plus a compressed JPEG for sharing. Once exported, print a small test to confirm tones and detail. Make sure highlights aren't blown and shadows keep texture. If the image looks too gritty, reduce grain opacity or apply a subtle selective blur to highlights and midtones. This softens noise while preserving edge detail. When things go wrong, revert to the TIFF master and repeat one step at a time. That master saves you from irreversible edits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.